Assalamu alaikum. Now we start comments in Dart. So first of all, I'm writing main function. And here, as comments is the set of instruction that ignored by the Dart compile during a program execution. So we have just two types or three types of comments. The first one is single line comments that I already write this. We use for this single line comments for double forward slash, and when I'm write here forward and the another is static, it's just like a body. Okay, now if I write here static and forward slash, when I'm writing here, it will be commented automatically. Okay, here this body is will be commented. Okay, here this body when I if I write here, it's also be commented. So this is a multi-line comment. Okay, the third one we have when I write three forward slash three for forward slash, this is documentation documentation comment. So when I'm right here, it's also, you can see here the forward slashes is show another line, so it's a documentation comment. If we have just three types of the comments. So why we use these comments in large projects? We use these comments for that yeah, when someone is reading our code, he and it's understandable. If I write here mm, string name equal to mask, here if I write here name, my name is, so here you can see it is uh, the when someone see here, he know about this comment that this user is owner of this coding, or he understand this line. So it is very useful in large projects. You will see it later. Okay, uh, for now I think it's enough, and we talking about in another videos and more to another topics. So for now, goodbye.